right, check this out. This is the N-Night tool, the EW01 Pocket EDC flashlight. And this is it. It's so small, but it's very sleek, it's waterproof, and it's very, very bright. It comes with this nice little battery charger, so you can pop your battery in there, and there's USB-C to plug into the wall. But this thing gives you a nice 40 hours of use. It's also very durable. It's, again, waterproof, and it gives you 120 meters of sight because it's so bright with 700 lumens to it. There's a clip on here, so you can clip it onto your belt pack or your shirt or something like that. And it has a wrist strap that you can keep on so you don't drop it. But mainly, yeah, you can turn this thing on, and you have different levels of brightness. So like a half push can change the brightness, and then press it all the way in to go on and off. But check out the quality of this thing. The quality is just amazing. Feel it in your hands. It's very durable. It's not plastic or anything like that. So this is like the perfect camping tool. If you don't have a lot of room and you want to take a flashlight with you, this is going to be great for you. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.